Okay friends, in continuation to our previous video that was about prepositions, we are doing more prepositions in today's lesson. Okay, so the preposition which we are starting with is avec. Avec means with. So here the sentence to understand this preposition is il part avec les bagages. Il part avec les bagages. That means he leaves with the baggages or with the bags. Il part avec les bagages. Okay. Now another preposition here is the opposite of the preposition we did before this, and that was avec, if you remember. And the opposite of avec is sans. Sans, and this S in the end is not pronounced as it is a consonant. So the pronunciation is sans. Sans means without, opposite of avec. Without. So the sentence here is il prend du thé sans sucre. Il prend du thé sans sucre. This du here is article partitive, and for this you can refer to the video lesson on article partitive. Okay, so this means he takes tea. Thé is tea. He takes tea without sugar. Il prend du thé sans sucre. Okay. Another preposition here is dans. Dans means in or inside. Dans. So the sentence is je t'attends dans le café. That means I wait for you in the cafe or cafeteria. Je t'attends dans le café. Okay, now we have preposition dehors, which is opposite of dans. Dehors means out or outside, and the sentence is the same. We have just changed the preposition here. So now the sentence becomes je t'attends dehors le café. I wait for you. This te is for tu, okay, or toi. I wait for you outside the cafeteria. So, je t'attends dehors le café. Okay, now we are doing more prepositions. Okay, a little bit difficult, I would say. It's pendant. But again, I would say if we practice, the things become easy. Pendant. Pendant means during. Okay, I'm giving two prepositions in the same sentence here. Pendant means during, and chez. Chez means to or at someone's place or somebody's house. Okay, I'll make you understand with the help of this sentence here. It is je vais chez les grands-parents pendant les vacances. I repeat. Je vais chez les grands-parents pendant les vacances. Here, je means I. Vais is verb aller. You can refer to the video lesson related to verb aller to see the conjugation here. With je, it is je vais. So this is I go. Now, chez les grands-parents means to the grandparents' house. To the grandparents' house. Okay, so I go to the grandparents' house pendant les vacances, during vacations, during the vacations. So je vais chez les grands-parents pendant les vacances. Next preposition which we are doing here is entre. Okay, don't confuse it with the verb entrer. So this is a preposition which means entre. Entre means between. Between. Sentence here is il y a une table entre deux chaises. Il y a une table entre deux chaises. Il y a means there is or there are. So there is a table between two chairs. There is a table between two chairs. Okay, so you see in the picture there is a table between two chairs. Il y a une table entre deux chaises. So next preposition we are doing here, autour de. Autour de. This means around. Autour de means around. Il y a un jardin autour de la maison. Il y a un jardin autour de la maison. That means there is a garden around the house. Il y a un jardin autour de la maison. So we have done a lot of prepositions today. Okay, and we sum up our video lesson with this. So keep practicing.